First thing I notice is this. I'm not sure what that even is.
Welcome to episode 4 of the eBay Repair Challenge. This is today's item, a Super Mario Bros. Nintendo watch. Let's see if we can fix it. Also, I have some great news on the previous 2 items. I have sold both of them. The Sterling engine ended up not making a profit, but the PS4 that I fixed actually did make a decent profit. I'll talk about that more in a minute, but right now, let's take this watch apart.
As you can see, the watch itself seems to be actually in pretty good condition. The band, it's got some marks on it and stuff. I'm hoping I can get that off with some IPA. This part of the band also the same. Back of the watch looks pretty good. Now, this week's item is supposed to be an antique item defined as anything made before 1990. This item was made in 1991, this specific watch. I believe the watches were introduced before 1990, so this item still does count for this week. So I'm hoping it is just a battery as it's in pretty good condition, but we got to get the back off and check that out. So item number 2 was the micro Sterling engine. I sold that for $114 on eBay, and shipping fees cost $24.90. So all of the costs combined, including the buying cost and the parts and the shipping and selling fees, they all cost $128.58. So unfortunately, I am taking a loss of $14.58, which is a bummer because I really like that item. I thought it was going to go for more, and it probably would have if I could have left it up there longer. But unfortunately, I did have to get it sold so I could move on to the next item. That brings us to item number 3, which was the PS4. The item cost on that was $94.35. I did only have to buy that HDMI IC chip for it, and the cost on that is $12. So the total cost on that entire item was $106.35. I was able to sell that for $179. Shipping and fees were $33.51, so I was able to make a profit of $36.14. Now for this watch, I paid $40.65, so I do have $183 left to spend for item number 5, the 5th and final item.
Let me know in the comment section what you think I should buy for the 5th and final item.
And next week, I'll be showing you what that item is and if I could fix it. And then there'll be one more week of the repair challenge, and that is where we will show who the winner was. So here we go with all the screws removed off of the back of this Nintendo watch. Let's have a look at the inside. First thing I notice is this. I'm not sure what that even is. It's weird. It's really discolored. I don't know what it is, but hopefully nothing important. So there we have the battery right there. Judging by the look of the inside of this, I'm hoping maybe it's just that battery that's bad. I know nothing about these watches. I did notice that Elliot from the Retro Future did post a video about a watch that was very similar to this. I didn't actually watch the video because I knew that I had one of these that was coming, so I didn't want to spoil it for myself. So I know really nothing about these, so I'm hoping this won't be too hard of a fix. Let's check that battery. I'm going to get it out and check the voltage and see if it's faulty or not. Now with my camera zoomed in all the way, I do notice this component L6. It's got quite a bit of solder right there, almost, and it's got this I don't know, it looks like maybe some liquid or something here. I'm hoping this didn't burn out because sometimes it can look like that when components burn out. So I really hope that's not the case, although theoretically it should be easy to replace if I could find that component, but I'm hoping that's not it. Okay, and it's showing Rayovac. Oh yeah, look at this. There's definitely some corrosion on that battery. Okay, that's actually good news for us. I think that most likely means that the battery might be the only problem. Okay, and then look down in here. We've definitely got some corrosion down here. So I'm gonna clean this up. Okay, that is looking much better. Let's get a new battery for it and see what happens. So what do you think? Is this gonna be the only problem? I sure hope so. It'd be cool. I mean, I'm sure you guys want a longer video, and I'm happy to make one, but at the same time, like I said, after last week's video, that PS4 was pretty tough to fix. So the other thing is I want to make sure these buttons work. Okay, they actually seem like they work fine. So let's get, I don't want anything to fall out of here. So actually that looks like they're on there fine. So I'm gonna turn this over now. You tell me in the comment section if you think that's all it took and if it's fixed. Let's see, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. So we've got Mario riding a Yoshi. We've got these guys down here. This is very cool. I'm gonna get this back on because I actually have never played this. I don't even know how to play it. I also need to test the headphone jack, so I'm gonna do all that, and then once that back's back on, then let's see if we can play a game on it. All right, and here we go with the headphone jack. So there's no sound now. I wouldn't expect that it's just in time mode. Okay. Whoa, there we go. Oh wow, that's loud. I'm obviously not very good at this game. Ah, no, I already lost all 3 of my lives.
And there you go, the sound works great on the watch. It's actually super loud. I don't think there's a way to turn the volume up or down, which is unfortunate because it is super loud, but it does work, so that's the good thing. So I'm gonna give it a good cleaning and see how good I can make it look.
I think this came out looking really nice. I'm hoping it'll help me get a nice profit on this one.
I'm gonna put a link up on your screen to item number 5. That item will be an item of my choice, so I can buy whatever I want as long as it's under the $183 I have left to spend. So be sure to click on that if you want to see how I did on that item. Then after that, we will do one more video announcing the winner of this eBay repair challenge. Be sure to check out my mate Vince, Tampa Tech, and the Retro Future videos. I'll leave links to those down in the description below, and I hope you have a good day.